2013 Ford F150, 164,068 miles. It's got the 5.0 liter in it, and it has the 6R80 transmission, and we have a recall 19S19 sudden transmission downshift. We're going to program the PCM. I'm going to go here in IDS, start new session, all other. It's a pretty truck. So here it's connected. Operation progress, the blue bar went all the way across. It is F150 with the 5.0. It is a 2013 model year. So I'm going to confirm that. When that gets done talking to all the modules, I'll go up here to the toolbox. The 19S19. Check available powertrain control module PCM software update and reprogram the PCM using IDS release 113.06A or higher. So F150 2013 model year in Dearborn, Michigan. Build date May 7th, 2012 through October 27th, 2013. Or Kansas City, April 18th, 2012 through November 18th, 2013. This truck was built February 1st, 2013. But I don't know. So that's what we're going to go through. That's what I was told to do. Go here, module programming. Module reprogramming, PCM, whoop. PCM, ignition switch is on. Just thinking about it. During module programming, this module goes through VIN verification process. This process compares the VIN in the module with the VIN and other modules on the vehicle. You may see the VIN verification screen more than once, depending upon your response to the question. Is the VIN correct? Yes. Yes, it is. It is attempting to copy data from the network. Takes a second to get all this information from the network, doesn't it? This truck also has a recall 19N01 transmission molded lead frame extended coverage. We're doing the 19S19 6R80 sudden transmission downshift powertrain control module reprogram. Current software version. Your service tool has not been updated. Yes. Later calibration is available. Do you want to program the PCM with it? Current level. So we're going from ADA to ADB. Yes. Confirm. Ignition switched off. Ignition switch on. Oh. I hate it when it does that. Now it's erasing the old one and reprogramming it, downloading the data. I hear my buddy Dave out there talking. That's going to be my labor opcode. Reprogram the powertrain control module using IDS. Must be, that's 0.3 hours. It's taking its sweet time. And we'll be back as soon as that's done. It's almost done. Everything's back online. Calibration has been loaded and checked. So now what I'm going to do, go over here, self-test. All. See, everything's coming back online. I got a bunch of codes from the module programming. I'm going to go in here and clear all the codes out. Delete. Come on. Hey. What are you? Service continuous memory. See? Clear all the codes. Everything's gone. I think he was on field. Yeah, there we go. Cleared all the codes. Everything's gone. Everything's working. I think his radio is on AM though. Yeah. Damn, what a beautiful And that's how it's done.